Well, good evening to you, Andrew and Shannon. I am standing on a road, believe it or not. Still has a little bit of water, obviously nothing like we've seen earlier. Now, just to give you some perspective, the creek, Mill Creek, that flooded here this morning is several hundred yards away, and you can see where this water is. You can see a firefighter down at the end of the street here and some water being pumped out. We're seeing a lot of that across these neighborhoods here in Ligonier Borough as these homeowners are pumping this water out of their homes.
It's incredible.
From Ligonier Borough
At least you had wading boots.
to out in the township,
There was 40-inch culvert pipes are actually totally removed.
Mill Creek flooded fast.
When I was about to shower and I heard some rustling outside and I looked out the window and sure enough there were boats coming down the road and just water everywhere. I mean, it happened fast.
Near Indian and West Vincent streets, homes flooded several hundred yards from the creek.
I live 3 streets up, and there's nothing. And when he called me, it's like, really?
I didn't know if it was going to stop either because it just kept coming.
We always get water right up to about where it's at now, but it's never come this far.
Despite several cars underwater and destroyed basements, no one was hurt.
Just seeing that, I think that just kind of shows you the amazing power of water and what we had to deal with here in Ligonier today.
Now, right here, this is a yard between these two homes. Right now, it looks more like a creek. The water several inches deep. The good news in all of this, no one was injured, but several people, more than a dozen, had to be rescued. And for that part of the story, I want to send things over now to Pittsburgh's Action News reporter, Sheldon Ingram. Good evening, Sheldon.
Good evening, Ashley. Thank you. Where I'm standing now, normally this is called Boyd Street, but right now it looks a little bit like Boyd Lake. Now, all of this water you see here is actually a lot less than what it was about an hour and a half ago. But this entire section here was underwater, and we can see a little bit in a few seconds from Sky 4. But first, you see some residents over here. They are in the cleanup mode, getting water pumped out of their basement as a lot of water just crashed through the basements of a lot of residents here in Ligonier. But we're here to talk about the rescue effort of some of the people who were living in their homes at the time that the flood waters rose early this morning. And here is the video from Sky 4 early this morning. Now, the Westmoreland County Water Rescue, they're telling us that they pulled about 17 people from their homes earlier today. Some of those people were in flood waters that was as much as 5 feet in some areas. Most of the water was waist deep, but at times it got up to their chest, and so therefore Westmoreland County Water Rescue had to use watercraft to pull 17 people from their homes into safety. But the good news is that no one was injured during the rescue, just a lot of flooding in the basements. And that's a story from this part of Ligonier as residents are still cleaning up as they try to recover from the flood this morning. Reporting live, Sheldon Ingram, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Sheldon, thank you.